Hi guys! Welcome to another talk show episode of Pearl. And welcome to Pearl TV. And for today's video guys, ang topic natin, of course, again and again, let's talk about money. Kasi, guys, ang problema talaga ng mga tao, pera. Pera. Nakita natin yung skandal. Kahit na yung mga mayayaman na tao, wala nang ibang inisip, kundi magpadami ng pera. Eh tayo pa kaya na hindi pa ganun kayaman. Tayo pa kaya na hindi naman mga mayayaman pa, 'di ba? Ba't hindi tayo mag-iisip? Yung mga mayayaman nga nag-iisip pang yumaman eh. Ba't tayo hindi tayo magsikap para tayo din ay umasenso, right? So, ang topic ko ngayon ay how to paano ba ang tamang disiplina pagdating sa usaping pera. Okay, ano ba ang disiplina? Okay? Kasi guys, marami sa atin ang gusto makalaya sa salitang rat race. Okay? Rat race. Alam niyo yung rat race? Yung lagi kang naghahabol na ito yung mayarin ko, ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, napakahirap nun talaga, guys. 'Di ba? Ito yung gusto ko ngayon, ito ganyan. Ano dapat natin gawin? Lalo pa ngayong sobrang taas ng inflation rate, guys. Isipin natin, dati yung 960 pesos nakakabili ng isang tangke ng 11 kilogram of LPG gas. Now, magkano na, guys? Doon sa isang suki ko 1.7 na daw sa kanila. Doon sa isang suki ko 1.5 na daw, guys. O, isipin nyo, guys. Kumusta naman? Ako sa ngayon, hindi ko pa nararamdaman yung kasi yung LPG ko, nabili ko pa yun ng 960, nasab na meron pa rin. Kaya yung paninda ko, hindi pa masyadong, tumataas yung presyo. Wala pang changes, as is pa tayo. Pero syempre, pag naano ko na yun. So, it's time for us to make an adjustment when it comes to the net content of the product that we're packing, so, napakahalaga na financially literate tayo kasi kahit anong mga financial challenges na dumating sa atin, kaya nating i-cope up. Okay? Kaya natin i-cope up. Okay, so, sabi nga, paano tamang disiplina pagdating sa pera? Okay, kailangan daw guys, para umasenso tayo, alam natin yung tinatawag na cheap method. Okay, so where did I learn the cheap method? The cheap method, I learned this from searching Kitan. Okay, that's an abbreviation. For what? For you create money, you should know how to handle money, you know how to invest money, and you should know how to protect your money. Okay? So, kasi kapag isa dyan ang hindi ka masyadong bihasa, ay tatambling ka. Okay? Kung puro ka lang create and pera, and you do not know how to handle, and you do not know how to invest, and you do not know how to protect your money at the end of the day. Kasi nga hindi ka knowledgeable pa doon sa ibang aspeto ng paghawak ng pera. You will be surely, face trial and error, right? Kasi may mga tao na malakas kumita ng pera, pero malakas din gumastos. In short, walang disiplina sa pera, hindi nila alam kung saan ba papunta yung pera. Okay? And then, may mga tao naman na mahilig lang humawak ng pera, hoarding, and hindi na lumalago yung pera. At pag tumaas ang inflation rate, hindi nila kayang mabit, right? Kaya nga yung pera dapat daw guys, meron tayong tinatawag na emergency fund. It's our 2 to 3 months salary if we're working, para just in case nawalan tayo ng trabaho, we can still bounce back. Kasi kung maghanap ka ng panibagong trabaho, right? And yun na nga guys. So, napaka-importante na financially literate tayo. So, how can we become financially literate? Of course, you should learn how to read. You should love reading, okay? And kung magbabasa, kailangan basahin niyo yung mga librong magaganda na may kinalaman sa palago ng pera, right? And if you're looking for books to read with, link at the description box, at the comment section, in order for you to read books that can teach you how to handle money, okay? If you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the tag products so you can purchase the book, the business book. It's very helpful. Okay, I reviewed the book already and it's really perfect for those people who are wanting themselves to rise from financial struggle, okay? So, ano pang dapat nyo gawin? So, you always pray to the good Lord. Kasi sabi nga, kahit anong pagpupursige natin, kung hindi natin ina-acknowledge si Lord sa buhay natin, wala din. So, may mga tao kasi na, habang yumayaman, nakakalimutan nila si Lord. Habang yumayaman, habang umaasenso, wala na silang time kay Lord, hindi na sila nakikipag-usap. Then, they distance themselves from people whom God loves. Okay? So, it's very important din, guys, na maging charitable tayo. 'Di ba? Maging charitable. I'm not saying that I'm one. Pero, ako kasi talaga, whenever I get the chance to have, if you pray lagi kay Lord, so, share the blessings that we have. It's very important, guys. 'Di ba? Kasi, when you give with all your hearts, sabi nga, blessed is the, yung magpapagbigay kasi, ang life daw natin is, money is like a river na kapag binibigay mo, nagkakaroon ng space para pumasok yung panibagong blessing. Okay, so do you believe in that, guys? So I hope you learned something in this video and you would love to like, subscribe, and read the book. So just click the link in order for you to purchase the book of Chinkitan. Bye! Love you all.